Hello, CNA students. This is Miss Allen. You'll probably see me in and out of Miss Archer's class. I try to get some things to help you study and make this easier on you as you're in this accelerated CNA class and it moves quick and you have a lot of work to do. The first thing I want to show you today is a visual way to look at what you have to complete before next week. And for some of you this will help, for some of you it won't. Skip it. If it does help you, use it. So, next week, to be done, you will have had to read chapters 1 through 6 and Appendix B, and then you'll have completed your reading. I'm going to jump down here. The other thing you will have had to complete is notes on the chapter from the objective questions. So while you're reading 1 through 6, have your notebook out, look at the objective questions, and you will have finished reading and taking notes. The next thing that you will have completed is either 6 worksheets or 6 sets of notes based on the worksheets, and then you will use those to complete the quiz. In order to be done, you will have completed the 6 quizzes either using your notes or the worksheets, then that's complete. You will also complete a questionnaire on 16 personalities. You will respond to a question in Schoology as well as responding to 2 classmates in Schoology. Then that will be complete. This is a resource. These are all the videos of all the skills from Ames Community College, which is in Colorado. So it's all the Colorado stuff that you need to know. This week you're going to watch hand hygiene, PPE, and dressing the right arm. And lastly, this is the one that you really need to make sure you get into, is the skills lab module. There are 3 videos that have embedded questions. So as you're watching the video, different questions will come up. So make sure that you complete these questions. And remember, this is just a resource to watch the video. This is actually answering the questions in the video. And that's what you need to do to be done. Then I like to shoot over to get ready. Get ready. You're going to need your CNA book. You're going to need your computer and your phone. You can use either your computer or your phone, and you'll need a nice new CNA book. Then you'll need to access your Schoology. So you're going to log into My Cherry Creek using your email and your student ID. Log in, get into Schoology. In courses, you're going to have a certified nurse aide and with your section number, and then you will have all these folders. And this is what you need to get ready. You're going to need to do things out of the PLQ worksheets, out of the pre-lecture quiz. You can use the PowerPoints as a resource for taking notes. You're going to need to complete the quiz questions and responses in the 16 personalities. You're going to need to do the skills lab where there are questions embedded in the videos. This is just a resource if you want to watch the videos again. This is the quizzes that you need to take, 6 of them. And then lastly, the 16 personalities, quiz, question, and response. So in order to get these things done, we go to do. Okay, and I'm going to go through this a little bit more slowly. You are going to read chapters 1 through 6 and Appendix B. You're going to look in the chapters, find out the objective questions, use your notebook, and take notes on each chapter. Ms. Ellery will be going over that this week. I will be into video that. If you forget how to take the notes, find it in a pink folder of resources, and I will put things in there for you. The next thing you need to do to get done is either print the worksheets or simply respond to the questions on the worksheets in your notebooks so that you can use these notes when you take the quizzes, which is next. So again, you don't have to print these. You can simply go to your notebook and write 1 is A, 2 is true. Some of you really want that worksheet, print it out and use it. Next, go to take the 6 quizzes that are in there, and this is on each of the chapters. You can use your worksheets or your notes. You should answer those questions in those quizzes. Next, there's a 16 personality questionnaire. You're going to go to that link in Schoology. You're going to take the 16 personality quiz. It will give you kind of what personality you are. Then there's a question about what personality you are that you need to answer in Schoology in the blank. And then lastly, you need to respond to 2 other classmates about what they said about their personality. You can respond to whoever you want. That will show up in Schoology, so please make sure you do that. This is a resource that you can use, the black folder. It has the Ames Community College skills. I think we all know that just watching a video once doesn't help you remember everything you need to know. So after you do this skills lab module, you might want to go back and just review the videos, and you'll probably want to do it over the semester. You want to make sure that you get these skill lab module done, because in each of these videos, hand hygiene, PPE, and right arm dressing, there are questions throughout the video. It'll ask a question and you need to pick A, B, C, D. You might need to say true, false. So those are the things that you want to make sure you get. This score will show up in Schoology because you completed the quiz, and you should get it right because the question will come right after the section of the video. Okay, I am going to post these pictures as well as the video. If this helps you, please look back at it and use it. If not, you don't need to use it. I will try to post these every week. If you see me in the classroom and you'd like me to do something different or notice something, stop me and let me know. I'm happy to help and do what helps you guys out. So have a good week, CNA.